Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling. Always Amin. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women feet jewelry. Most pairing crochet women anklet designs, different color designs, ideas, combinations also in front of you. I hope you like this collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful and trendy, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman anklet designs and other jewelry like crochet baby anklet designs, crochet woman necklace designs, crochet woman bracelet designs, crochet woman ring designs, and others like crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, and crochet baby shoes designs, crochet baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, crochet women long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, quarter sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder dresses, one shoulder dresses, crochet women scarf designs, banjo designs, caplet designs, circular jacket designs, and many more things. Dear friends, you can contact me on my number anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, please try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends and relatives. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.